welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here, and today I'm going to go through the kit I'm using for January's Collection Obsession. Now I haven't played along with Collection Obsession for quite some time, but I've reactivated my subscription to Uniquely Creative, so every month I'll be getting their kit. So I thought, what better way to do a Collection Obsession than using the kit that I get every month. So this is December 2024's kit. So it'll be always the collection from the previous month will be my Collection Obsession. So if you've seen it before, it'll be nothing new if you've seen the collection. But a lot of people don't know about Uniquely Creative. They are Australian and they do a beautiful, beautiful collection. So this is what I'm using in January. I haven't looked through this, so you're seeing it for the first time that I am as well. I just unpacked it from the box and I'm going to go through what's in there, and I'll be creating 4 layouts using this collection throughout the month of January. So with every kit they give you a creative magazine which has stunning layouts that you can just copy, because they give you the step-by-step instructions for each one. They're absolutely stunning. So sometimes I take the easy route and recreate these with my little twists. Don't create them exactly the same. I tend to do something a little bit different on them. But when I'm stuck for ideas, these are fantastic sources of inspiration. So what do we get in the kit? We got this bit of brown. It's actually packaging that they've given us, and you pull it and it's like a waffle. Creates this gorgeous waffle pattern. I've had this before for packaging orders on my other business, and it's really cool. So that will be a fun element to add to some layouts. Alright, we've got the creative cuts, and I'm not going to open them all, but I'm hoping if I bring this up, oh sorry for the light, you can see without the glare an idea of what is in here. So there's lots of words in here, die cut words. Some are fun. The beach is calling, beach vibes. There's a birthday one, or several birthday ones, birthday getaway, sun kissed by the sea, and there's elements like palm tree, starfish, shutters, flowers, frangipanis, I think that's a seahorse, some more, what are they? I've forgotten the name of them. I'm sure you'll tell me. Beautiful seashells, more starfish. So they're the creative cuts. They're the cardboard weight ones, so they're really cool. And then we got the creative cuts, the vellum cuts, and these are like stickers. They have a shiny plastic backing on them, you peel off, and they're stickers, and it's all floral, and I love it. Oh, I love a good floral, and it's in delicate colors, blues, pinks, lemons. Oh, stunning, and some beautiful greenery. Really, really nice. And then we have dimensional stickers. So these are like a foam sticker. I don't know if you can see. So we have lots of words. Days like this, travel buddy, day at the beach, summer, let's explore, bliss beach, a starfish, and a couple of flowers. And the letterings have like a white splotch on them, like you've gone over them with a not a spritzer, but like putting your splots, splashes, whatever you call them, at the end. They look really cool. And then we have a die, and this die is called Coastal Grass Die. Oh, well, that's really cool. Do a whole cluster of them, would look really nice. And then we got some natural muslin, a large sheet, 90 centimeters by 90 centimeters, so not quite a meter by a meter. And I'm going to open this so that we can have a better look at it. And it's just like, oh, look at that. Yeah, it's like, it is muslin. So it's like muslin. No, it is muslin. Really, really cool. Look at that. Looks like netting. How cool would that be? And you can stretch this a little bit to make the weave a bit more open as well. Scrunch it up. Oh, lots of things you could do with this. There's a lot in there, nearly a meter. Wow. Yeah, it's 100 centimeters to a meter, isn't it? That's not 90 centimeters. Wait a minute. Is it? That's not 90 centimeters. No, that's not right. What's it say? 90 by 90. I don't think that's 90 centimetres. It's not folded over. There's a ruler. I don't want to tell them they're wrong, but it's got to say on the pack what it is. And there's no way that's 90 centimetres. So that is 30, roughly 40, 41 centimetres. So I hate to tell them, but that's not 90 by 90. No way. But there's enough of it. Actually, there's heaps of it there. So that's a really cool, different element. I've never had anything like that before, which is good because next year I plan, or sorry, this year, sorry, I'm filming this in 2024, so I can have it ready for December 1, January 1, sorry, oh my goodness, it's hard trying to work between years. Yeah, so January this year, 2025, I'm going to try and get into mixed media a lot more, so that will be fantastic for that. And then we got some rub-ons, this really cool speedboat, a palm tree, some flowers. What flowers are they? It escapes me right now. They're not frangipani, because frangipanis are like the yellow, well they are pink, but they're a different style. What are they? I don't know. Are they? I don't know. Life is better at the beach. There's cool bubbles, sunshine, good times and tan lines, sandy toes, sun-kissed nose. They're really cool. They're called the Coastal Bliss rub-ons. And then we've got the collection pack of paper. So we'll go through this. Definite beachy vibes. So this kit may still be available. It is available on their website, I think from the 3rd of or the 5th of each month, once the subscribers have all theirs all shipped to all the subscribers, and then it's available to purchase if there's any left. So have a look on their website, uniquelycreative.com.au, if you like this collection, and grab it. So on the back of their information sheet telling you what this collection is, they always have these beautiful images that you can cut apart. And they do have dies for these, because these tabs are in every collection and they're always the same format. So there is a die that cuts out those, and I believe they have a die now for these, which are really cool. So if you're not into fussy cutting, or you don't have a Brother Scan and Cut that will scan them and cut them out, then grab the dies because they're really handy. And I love these gorgeous floral sprays. Very pretty. Okay, so oh, look at this, stunning. Blissful Day, gorgeous lighthouse and the flowers. Really gorgeous. Some people don't know how to use these papers, and for a while I didn't either. But I learned a trick off someone, I can't remember who it was, possibly Janet Madison from Love RTS. She one day actually fussy cut around, just with a knife, like a craft knife, fussy cut around like these elements, and then tucked the photo under, like the corner of the photo under, so that you're not covering the elements with your photos, but then these elements act as embellishments for your photos. So that was really cool. Or you can fussy cut this whole thing out and put that on another layout, and then use this or the reverse side for something else. Look at that. That's really cool. It's like a textured, I mean it's flat paper, but it's a photo of like a wool or something. It's a kind of open weave fabric. So that's the reverse side of that one. Okay, this one is called Lost in the Sand. Beautiful sand dune vibes with the grey at the top and some of the seagrass, which they've obviously taken inspiration of the dye. Oops, wait, what's under there? Oh no. So that's the seagrass dye, and it looks like seagrass. Cool. And then the reverse side is a beautiful, again, like a photo of a fabric weave with the distressing on it. Way cool. And then we have On the Water. Nice. That sort of looks like a horizon of waves. It's the photo of like when you use texture paste, and they, you know, when you paint with texture paste or paint with thick acrylic paint using a palette knife, that's what that looks like. But it's created like a to me, like on the horizon of waves like crashing on the horizon. Very nice. And I love this detail around here, and the splotches and the dots. Cool. So that's your like mixed media done for you. Like, how cool is that? And you could use this piece of paper as inspiration to create your own mixed media. So you start with the texture paste, and then add a bit of shading around it, add some stamping and some watercolouring, and the splotches would be possibly like a stamp, and create your own mixed media using this as inspiration. That's cool. Okay, and the reverse side is reflection of this one really, because it's got the same sort of spots on it, so you could use those. Like, there's a double page layout done, like, you know, add your photos and embellishments obviously, but because that background matches. And when you do double pages, backgrounds don't have to be the same on both of them. It'll be a cohesive double page if it all blends, so you don't have to have the two the same. That's really nice. I like that one. Nice muted grays. Then we have the sea is calling. Look at this. Oh, nice. Beautiful. They are lilies, I know that. But what are these ones? And then starfish tucked in there. And again, that spotty stamping effect there, and like a wood plank. And the reverse is again a textured look of fabric. Nice, like a linen type look. And then we have waves for days. Again, beautiful textured background with the stamping look over the watercolor wash, over some splotches, and looks like twine effect, and some little sea urchin things, and a flower. I think that is really nice. And the reverse is gorgeous wood planking. Love it. Very distressed and coastal, like you'd find on a worn back deck of a house on the coast. Nice. And then we have days like this, sheet full of things you can cut apart. Love the suitcases on the ice cream, because you know you've got to have ice cream when you go to the beach. Fish and chips followed by ice cream. Love the sea, what are they called? Yeah, boys, I don't know. Oh, anyway, you know what they are. Words are hard, aren't they? Love the sign, that's really cool. And then the reverse side is again very similar to this one. So you could even use those two together. Look at that. Very nice. I think I would just forego the back and cut all these out so I'd have double the embellishments. Very cool. I love the muted colours on this. Very nice. And then we have to the beach. Gorgeous big tags. There's that lighthouse again. Gorgeous. Sailing boat, palm tree. With this coastal view out the window. Oh, I'd like to be there right now. Have the window open, the beautiful sound of the waves coming in, a nice breeze. Oh, that'd be beautiful. And then the reverse side is this beautiful stripe, which is on the back of, there's a little strip of that on the back of this information sheet. Cool. So you could even use this, Coastal Bliss. You could even cut that out if you wanted to. If you didn't want to use that floral image on the back, you could cut that out and use it as a title on a page. Very cool. So that is those two. I think that's the last. No, there's one more. And this is just, what's it called? Summer Vibes. So back to back little like pocket life cards, I guess. So this side is all beautiful images, absolutely stunning images. Good if you've been on a cruise. Oh, look at that beach shack, that's really cool. Love the books, the wave. Oh, very nice. And then on the reverse side is just all sayings. So these, you know, you could use these as titles on a page. Beach is calling, destination paradise, hello summer. I love, love, love this collection. So there we have it. Gorgeous collection. And now I have to go away and think about photos to use for this. I'll just run through these pages again really quickly so that you can see them if you're interested in getting this collection. It is stunning. And it doesn't have to be just for beach. Like, you could use this for a winter layout, a snow layout. There's nothing on here that says beach. Or for anything really. That would be a nice, and even by the lake. Like if you go to a lake or anything, page. And of course with these clusters like this, if you don't want that on your layout but you love the rest of the paper, you can just cover that. Like put your photo here, some embellishments, you can cover that up really easily. Love that one. That is gorgeous. Alright, so that is the collection called Coastal Bliss, by Uniquely Creative. And I will be back next week with my first layout using this collection. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. Hit that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.